Friends have cowherd boys, they became distracted. They began to see towards Krishna. Krishna had to do. Uh, all right. And he simply swallowed up the whole pie. This is inconceivable mystic power. And that is God. Vaishajyasya samagrasya bijasya jasasa sriya. The six opulences in full. That is God. Hare Krishna. That inconceivable power, inconceivable energy or mystic power, we have got also. Very minute quantity. So many things are going on within our body. We cannot explain. The same example, my nails are coming exactly in the form, although it is spoiled by disease, again it is coming. I do not know what machinery is going on, and the nail is coming exactly fitting the position, everything. That is coming from my body. So that is mystic power. Even it is mystic power for me and to the doctors, everyone. They cannot explain.
The doctors are marveling at the doctors are marveled at the complex nature of the human brain.
Yeah. Yes.
Very amazed.
But they are rascal. It is not the brain that is working. It is the spirit soul that is working. The same thing, the computer and machine. The rascal will think that a computer and machine is working. No. The man is working. He pushes the button, then it works. Otherwise, what is the value of this machine? You keep the machine for thousands of years, it will not work. When another man will come, put the button, then it will work. So who is working? The machine is working or the man is working? And the man is also another machine. And it is working due to the presence of Paramatma, God. Therefore, ultimately God is working. A dead man cannot work. So how long a man remains living, so long the Paramatma is there, Atma is there. If the Atma is there, if Paramatma does not give him intelligence, he cannot work. Matta smritigyanam apuhanancha. God is giving me intelligence, you put this button, then I put this one. So ultimately Krishna is working. Another untrained man cannot come and work on it because there is no intelligence. On a particular man who is trained up, he can work. So these things are going on. Ultimately comes to Krishna. What you are researching, what you are talking, that is also Krishna is doing. Krishna is giving you. You prayed for this facility to Krishna. Krishna is giving you. Sometimes you find accidentally the experiment is successful. So when Krishna sees that you are so much harassed in experiment, all I do. Just as Yasodama was trying to tie Krishna, but she could not do. But when Krishna agreed, it was possible. Simply this accident means Krishna helps you. All right, you have worked so hard. Take this result. Everything is Krishna. Matta sarvang pravartate. This is explained. Matta smriti jnanam apohanancha. Everything is coming from Krishna.
Yes, Krishna didn't give me the proper steps how to do the experiments.
Huh? Yes, he gives you, otherwise how are you doing it? Whatever you are doing, that is by Krishna's grace. And when you are still favorable, then Krishna will give you more facilities. Krishna will give you facility, will favor you as much as you desire, not more than that. Je jatha mang prapadanti tam sad. As much proportionately you surrender to Krishna, the intelligence will come. If you fully surrender, then full intelligence will come. It is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Je jatha mam prapadanti tam tathaiva bhajamyaham. Right?
No. Do what, but not much.
Krishna says, you fully surrender, I give you full protection. Ang pang sarva papim Krishna. Give you full intelligence. And the scientific world will admit. Let them admit simply. Then our Krishna consciousness movement a great success. If you simply admit, yes, there is God and mystic power, then our movement is very successful. And that's a fact. Simply talking like a nonsense amongst the nonsense, that is not a very great credit. Andhayathan dairupaniyama. One blind man is leading other blind men. What is the value of such? They are all blind. And so long one remains blind and rascal, he does not accept God. This is the test. As soon as we see that he does not accept God, he is blind, rascal, fool, whatever you can call. Take it for granted. However, whatever you may be. He is a rascal. On this principle we can challenge so many big chemist, philosopher, whoever comes to us. You say you are demon. The other chemist came, you brought him, that Indian.
Tiwari.
Huh? Tiwari. So I told him that you are a demon. But he was not angry. He admitted. And all his argument was refuted. Perhaps you remember.
Yes.
Yes.
There is in fact, he was telling that Krishna didn't give me all the procedure steps how to do the experiment. That was, he was saying like that.
Yes.